vascular dementia, heart attack, stroke, comes with your sight. Heart failure, kidney failure, no. Is your blood pressure high? Is your blood pressure low?
Blood pressure can be high under pressure. Blood pressure keep it low at your leisure. Blood pressure can be high under pressure. Blood pressure keep it low at your leisure.
Have yourself a healthy diet. Reduce your salt, roast your food or air fry it. Too much caffeine is bad for you. So is smoking too.
Blood pressure can be high under pressure. Blood pressure keep it low at your leisure. Blood pressure can be high under pressure. Blood pressure keep it low at your leisure.
If you're worried about your weight, do some exercise, you'll be feeling great. Cut down on alcohol before it's too late. Do it now before you get to your stage.
Blood pressure can be high under pressure. Blood pressure keep it low at your leisure. Blood pressure can be high under pressure. Blood pressure keep it low at your leisure.
Position yourself in a chair, feet on the floor, take care. Relax your arm, try to keep calm. You'll feel a squeeze, it will not harm. Do not move, chew or talk. Even laughing will not work. Keep yourself as straight as you can, so your blood pressure goes as planned.
Blood pressure can be high under pressure. Blood pressure keep it low at your leisure. Blood pressure can be high under pressure. Blood pressure keep it low at your leisure.
Drink plenty of water, we know your water. Stay hydrated, don't get frustrated. Blood pressure, this might sound strange, 120 to 140, this is the healthy range.
Blood pressure can be high under pressure. Blood pressure keep it low at your leisure. Blood pressure can be high under pressure. Blood pressure keep it low at your leisure.
Visit the GP to get yourself tested. Most pharmacies also accept it. Even some workplaces do it too. Listen to us, it's all true.
Blood pressure can be high under pressure. Blood pressure keep it low at your leisure. Blood pressure can be high under pressure. Blood pressure keep it low at your leisure. Blood pressure can be high under pressure. Blood pressure keep it low at your leisure. Blood pressure can be high under pressure. Blood pressure keep it low at your leisure.